What's going on YouTube? Today I gotta change my alternator. First thing, disconnect the negative terminal. Then I'm gonna go ahead and undo some of these plugs. This is the '07 Camry. You see that nut with like the hole in the middle? That's gonna adjust the tension on the belt. So I'll turn it clockwise to loosen the tension, and then I'll remove the belt from the alternator. So I'll cut back in when I'm all done with that. To disconnect these here, this one you can push it on the side here. There's a little tab. You see it coming out? That just comes right out. This one you want to expose the bolt, undo the bolt. So I'll do that right now. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the bolts holding it in and remove that nut that just kind of holds the wiring in place. So that one, and then there's going to be two bolts holding it in. I don't know if I'll be able to get a good view of that, but looking at the new alternator, you'll see that there's going to be one at the top and one underneath holding it in. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those now. Or actually, no, I'm going to take the belt off first. Sorry about that. I'm going to take the belt off first, then remove those bolts. And to remove the belt, it's a 19 millimeter socket. I'm just putting on a breaker bar, and it'll fit over like that. Like I said, clockwise. I'm gonna do this with two hands, but you get the idea. Okay, I also went ahead and disconnected this like little bracket from here, just because I didn't want, if I'm pulling the alternator out, I didn't want to bring any tension on this. So just trying to clear the path for the alternator. Now I'm going to remove those bolts. Okay, so this first bolt on the top is a 14. The bolt here on the bottom is going to be a 12. So I'll go ahead and remove those now. Just thought I'd give you the sizes. Okay, so I didn't really record it because I had to use both hands, but once you get the bolts out, it won't just fall out. You'll kind of have to shimmy it out. Just kind of keep wiggling it towards you. It'll come out eventually. Now I'm going to put the other one in. Put the top bolt in first, and then the bottom bolt. Alright, so my phone overheated earlier. I couldn't continue recording, but basically you're going to do pretty much the reverse of what you did to get it out. So, you know, bolt everything back in, put the belt back on, do all the connections. Right now I'm charging my battery because it was completely dead, so I'm just waiting on that, and then I'll start her up. But that's about it. Thanks for watching.